Okay, I've got few pieces here that I've been working on over the past few weeks, and I think they are ready to be signed. Lately, I've been working on paper more than canvas, and I actually love the texture it gives in the end. Even though I use the same technique on both, but they turn out really different. I love working with color, as you can probably tell. Uh, most of my paintings have a lot going on. I mean a lot. I build them in layers, not just one or two, but several, just to get this kind of tapestry-like effect. And here, this is my latest work. I finished it yesterday. These here are actually smaller pieces I created by cutting up paintings that I wasn't fully happy with as a whole, but I still loved part of them. So I kept those parts and turned them into something new. I actually really like how they came out. Each one feels like its own little story. And these are just a smaller version. I put this one in a frame, and it turned out really beautiful. So yeah, I think they are ready. You can find all these pieces available for sale on my website, fifiartstudio.com. And if you are curious about my process, you can find me on Instagram and YouTube. Thank you for watching.